everybody, we're here to talk about the difference between a regular 4-link or torque arm kit and a mini tub. And one of the biggest differences is your shock crossmember. If you've ordered the mini tub kit, you'll notice you get a crossmember like this that does not have the outer plates welded on. That's because when you do your mini tub install, this depth is subjective. We don't know how far you're going to bring it in. So the square tubing, it will extend out into the wheel well, and you'll need to trim it once your tubs are installed. You're going to trim this square tube off flush with your finished mini tub and frame. You're going to take your connecting plate that would normally sit here, you're going to trim it as needed to fit the new dimension. You're going to put the outer plate up like so, weld everything together. You're going to take this flange off as well. This is no longer needed because the trunk of the car is not there anymore. And there's also 2 bolts available to drill through horizontally and add more connection points that way. So do not cut off this bolt hole. You can only trim so far. So be sure you don't cut that tube off. For the Camaro, you're going to get a plate similar to this. You're going to take this front ledge, or this top ledge off. For a 68 and later Nova, you're going to get a plate that looks like this, so you can get your wrench in here to get to that bolt or nut. So just know there's a few differences depending on what kit you get, but it will look like this. The outer plates and the connecting plates will be loose. You're going to take off these top edges, you're going to trim these connecting plates as needed, and then weld this together, and you can also bolt horizontally. So if you have any questions on your build, feel free to give us a shout. You can go to our website, totalcostinvolved.com. There's tech articles there, the tech phone number is there, the tech email is there. So give us a shout, whatever way works for you, and we'll help with whatever we can.